In this video, we'll tell you the main things that we did in Kauai.
Aloha, I'm Angie.
I'm Parker. I'm Preston, and we're the Justtwobrosin.
And I'm Alan. We're a family who loves to travel and spending time together. And in this video, we'll tell you the main things that we did in Kauai.
Tell us about Kauai.
What's the magic word?
Please.
Good boys. Kauai is Hawaii's fourth largest island, and it's referred to as the Garden Island for all its tropical rainforests. Its landscape, forking rivers, and waterfalls have made Kauai the backdrop to many Hollywood movies. It's one of the most beautiful islands of Hawaii.
Okay.
We got an early morning flight so that we could enjoy all day in Kauai.
Oh no!
Got it. Got it.
Good job.
You almost didn't hurt. The flight was approximately 45 minutes.
Even though our flight landed early, we were pretty hungry, so the first stop was to eat some food, and then afterwards...
JoJo's Shave Ice. Ba-da-ba-ba! We just got to Kauai. First stop is JoJo's Shave Ice. Let's go!
That was very cool and very yummy too.
Yeah. Shave Ice is just like snow cones, but a lot better. So first they get a cup and they put some ice cream into the cup, whichever flavor you want, and then they grind ice and they put the ice in there like a little hill, and then they put all of the flavors you want. We got the flavor rainbow. The shave ice was super yummy. And also, just letting you know, the ice cream that you picked in the first place is at the bottom.
You can't spend the day in Kauai without being in the water, so as soon as we checked in, we hit the water.
Lucky for you, I picked a good apartment.
That's right, she always picks really good apartments and restaurants.
Speaking of restaurants, that night we went to this super cool restaurant called Genki Sushi. Genki Sushi was where there was these elevated tracks and two trains come and bring your food. So you order your food on an iPad, and then the food that you ordered comes on trains to your table.
They love that because they love anything related with airplanes or trains or anything like that. So
Or cars.
so they were in heaven that day.
Yeah.
And the sushi was pretty good too, right, Angie?
Yeah, it was not bad for fast food sushi.
It's not a fancy restaurant by any means, but you know, we had a good experience and the kids loved it.
The next morning we rented some snorkel gear.
Yeah, right next to our hotel there was a snorkel shop and we rented everything there.
There was this lady at the snorkel shop who was very nice, and she just told us what mahalo means in Hawaiian.
Mahalo, you guys have fun. I hope you see a lot of fish.
Say mahalo. Angie had found a really good tip online to rent equipment versus buying new stuff at Costco, and that way you can support the local businesses.
And help Mother Earth.
Yep, by not leaving all that plastic behind.
She told us what beaches to snorkel at that were safe for kids.
And she was right. Because the beaches that we went to had a lot of fish and no waves whatsoever, and the kids had a blast there.
Yeah.
Right?
I saw like at least 50 fish. That morning after we rented the snorkel gear, we went on a scenic drive around Kauai.
And that was beautiful. Anywhere you go around Kauai is beautiful, but that drive had so many beautiful spots.
You could see for like millions of miles.
It felt like that.
Not millions, but you could see really far. It was a clear day and you could see for miles.
For like 5 miles or
At
so.
least, yeah.
There was a spot where people had stacked stones, so we stacked stones too.
And made some wishes.
And made some wishes.
That's right. We also went to Queen's Bath.
Aria, please tell us about Queen's Bath.
Queen's Bath is another natural occurring set of pools made from a sinkhole surrounded by volcanic rock. It should be approached with caution and pay attention to all signs, especially around high tide.
Okay, that's some good information. But we have another video coming up that's just about Queen's Bath.
We also took an amazing tour on a helicopter.
We took an amazing tour over the Nepali coast, and that was just a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Yeah, it was super cool. The pilot was just like, sit back and relax. We're going to see a lot of waterfalls.
And we did. He flew us through some waterfalls and mountain ridges and everything like that.
Through the Waimea Canyon.
To the Waimea Canyons. It was really, really cool experiencing that.
There was these trees that made a tunnel over the road because they were so big. And that actually reminded me of the dark hedges in Ireland. Over there.
Oh yeah, we have a picture back there.
Yeah.
It's true. It's not as pretty as the dark hedges in Ireland, but it was definitely worth seeing, and actually we drove through it a couple times. Pretty much anywhere you stop in Kauai, you have amazing views and an opportunity for pictures and videos.
I'm always in charge of finding the local eats. And I did find one that we absolutely loved.
Called Polka Dog. They sell amazing hot dogs. The way they make the hot dogs is unique because they don't just do ketchup, mayo, or mustard. They do a coconut, mango,
Pineapple,
bunch
all
of
kinds of flavors.
all kinds of flavors.
That was yummy.
Just like shave ice.
There was a big line, but it was worth waiting for that.
But it moved rather quickly.
Oh yeah, it moved quickly.
Yeah.
And the hot dogs were truly amazing.
I should have gotten 2. The rest of the time, we just hung out by the beach. We played with our boogie boards. I tried surfing, and I couldn't really stand on that board if my life depended on it. But they had a lot of fun with the boogie boards.
If you like this video, give it a like and share it. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for any future videos like these. And also make sure to hit that bell button. Bing! And turn your notifications on. So when I release a video, you get notified.
Because we have a lot of new videos coming up. Aria, tell them what happens if they don't subscribe.
If you don't subscribe, I will send a hot dog to your house filled with something brown that you are not going to like.
Aria, what are we gonna do with you?
And we'll see you on our next adventure.